So for the last couple of days, Crypto.com has been stabilized. We have to find out why this is happening and what's Crow's next big move. So I recommend you guys to watch the entire video to understand what just happened to Crow and what's going to happen to the future of Crypto.com. And of course, if you do enjoy this video, means search me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go and check it out. So here we are, core market cap. The market cap right now for this token is right about $14 billion. The volume here is kind of still stabilized. We're 15% plus, and we're almost at 200 million volume here. So still pretty much okay. But if you look here at the 1 month chart, you can just see that we have been going down still, and that's the biggest problem. Right now, we're kind of trying to go up again. I'm gonna show you guys that in the chart here pretty soon. This is the chart right now. This is how Crow does look like. You have to remember, it's not only that Crow is going down, but we have multiple tokens here going down here. We're all making the same kind of pattern here, like pretty close pattern. But why are they making the same pattern? It's because of Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin is making this kind of pattern, and this is why Crow is making the exact same pattern here. A little bit different. It's not super exact because we're doing a little bit better than Bitcoin here. I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you guys the difference here, but still pretty much it is copying the graph. So as you can see here, what happened to Bitcoin is that it did reach a low here, then it tried to bounce off, and then we again reached the low we had before. But with Crow here, we bounced off, we got up, but when we did go down, we didn't really reach all the way down back to this level, which is really good, because normally if that happened, we would see another decrease here of basically 12%, even more, 13-14%. So that's a lot. That's a lot of decrease if we do totally follow Bitcoin. But because we didn't do it, because we found a ton of safety here in this area, it's just really good. So look at this, ton of safety here at this area, and this is why we did bounce off. Now I did tell you guys before that we did make a kind of a triangle here, and that's the exact same thing that happened here to Bitcoin, where we do have a big chance here to try and explode to the top side. But in the end, as you can see, we got super rejected. Like super rejection, like people just selling off and going all the way back to here. So do remember that always we could be getting rejected. It all depends on the market. Like I said, we could have continued to go up, but because Bitcoin also got rejected, look at this, we got past this level. There's a triangle I showed you guys for Bitcoin. We passed this level, we hit the 55, and we got rejected. And once we got rejected, look, you can just see here the reversal pattern. This sign here is reversal pattern, and boom, huge sell off. Once people saw this reversal pattern, boom, start to sell, and that's it. Bouncing off one more time here, again hitting this level, and again getting rejected two times getting rejected. This is not good, guys. We're getting rejected too many times here for this level. So the level of 48,000 Bitcoin is super hard for Bitcoin to get past, because like I said, we're just getting too many times we're getting rejected. The biggest problem I think is because this was at the holidays. So look at this, like 31st December, it's the New Year's. Not all the people who are into crypto are basically trading at that day, and that's the whole problem. Like, that's why we got rejected mostly. This is what at least I think. If we had more buying power, we would have passed it, but because we didn't have enough buying power, because people took the day off or something like that, it was the new year, probably people just didn't trade at that time, and this is why we didn't really break to new highs. So what's gonna happen here to Crow? A really good thing that I'm seeing right now is that, look at this, boom, we're still continuing to go up. So it's like it's breaking, it's actually making higher lows. So look at this low, boom. Let me just draw it here. So look at this low here. Then we made a higher low and another higher low right over here. So we're still continuing to go up. The problem I'm seeing is that it does look like a funnel here. Again, is not that good, because whenever you have like a funnel that continues to go up, eventually it has to break down. So it all depends how long this kind of funnel will last. The thing is, if Bitcoin gets too many times more rejected at this level, then we're gonna see even breakage below 45,000 per Bitcoin. And if that happens, it's gonna be pretty difficult for Crow here to continue to go up. There's a lot bigger chance that basically what's gonna happen is that we're still gonna stabilize in this funnel here, but in the end just break to the downside and go even below this level. And that's the biggest fear I have right now. The best thing that could happen is that we slowly continue to go up, and then either Bitcoin breaks the top side, or if we even don't break the top side, at least if we go down, we just go back here to this area. That will be still, if we reach from here to here, a decrease of 10%, but it's a lot better for it to go for 10% than all the way to here, and then all of us losing like 20% or something like that. But of course you can short the coin here if something like that ever happens, but for now it's still a long way to go for shorting. It's we still have to be patient to see what's gonna happen. The problem again is, look at this, we were so close to making that bullish cross, but we got rejected and we never made that bullish cross. And right now we're not even close. Like, these two lines are not even close. Like I said, what needs to happen right now is we have to continue to go up. I think then we're gonna see that cross, but that kind of cross won't last too long because we are still trying to a little bit going up, and then boom, we're gonna probably get rejected and continue to go down. And that's the biggest thing. That's the biggest problem I'm seeing right now. Of course, like I said, if Bitcoin somehow does break the top side of this area here, then Crow will also do the same pattern and try to break the top side. But like I said, because we have these kinds of indicators that basically we're not in a bullish cross, that it's not still the time to buy, that's a huge problem. Let's go here to the 1 hour chart. Like, look at this, too many crosses, bearish cross one more time here. We're probably gonna make that bullish cross, like I said, if we do bounce off right now, but still, it's just not that good. If we do bounce off right now, if we do continue to go up, let me just measure this. Basically, we're gonna increase here by 6%, maybe a little bit less, 5 to 6% probably, but that's only if we do make another pump. As you can see here, we have been still stabilizing in this area, but most of the time we just stabilize a little bit, then go up, boom, bump. Look at this reversal sign, boom, going up. And again, exact same problem, but here at the tip we can see another measurement, boom, from here to here another triangle is being made. So pretty soon we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. This triangle should be indicating that pretty like in the next couple of hours, maybe like 2 or 3 hours, we should either break to the top side or break to the downside. And that's it. I actually should delete this so you guys can see, but yeah, either the top side pretty soon here or the bottom, like or downside. So do remember that if we break now the downside, it's going to be really bad because there's a chance we're going to hit back to this level, 0.54, and then go even to 0.534. That's the biggest problem here right now that I'm seeing. But first, I want to talk about some new updates here about the market. It says here, Crypto.com weekly market update. So Bitcoin starts 2022 at $47,000. MicroStrategy announced a $94 million investment amid a $250 billion market crash. Okay, that's insane. Crypto.com becomes the gold member of the Singapore Blockchain Innovation Programme. Okay, there you go. So these are the updates. Oh, again, December updates. So Crypto.com Arena launch, acquisition of NADEX and small exchanges, 1.9 billion TVL on Chronos. Okay, NFT mainnet launch, awesome to see. Instant deposits in the app, so there you go for America. 69 projects on Chronos chain. Angel City Football Club, and 9 million plus transaction on Chronos. There you go. This is what's been happening here. If we continue up, we have a little bit more updates saying weekly DeFi updates. So total TVL across for DeFi rose over 200% in 2021. The OpenDAO protocol or SOS token has crashed 64% since Christmas. Tectonic Fi is now the largest lending protocol on Chronos chain with a supply of 514 million. So there you go. If you want, guys, you can check out these updates in details on their blog posts. We got some updates here also. We got new listings, new things happening, which is pretty cool, pretty interesting. Up next, Luna supercharged with 20x booster bonus. So use the 1 million reward allocation, chance to receive up to 30% APY, stake Crow, and earn Luna. So there you go, booster bonus, win a supercharged 20x booster NFT to multiply your Luna reward. So this is why they're using NFTs, to basically boost your APY, to boost your staking. So yeah, NFTs are having more and more case uses here, and Crypto.com is really thinking of some really interesting and good ideas, not gonna lie. It's not that big, like we're not gonna go too much down, but it's a lot better for us to go up right now than try to go down and then continue to go down even more if Bitcoin breaks to the downside. So these are my tips. There's some information I'm trying to give you guys to see what's gonna happen here. So guys, in the end, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to invest into these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.